Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I want to just go off script in this video and give you guys an update. So I want to discuss the direction of my channel and things to expect. So if you guys are ready, I'm just going to jump right into this. So number one, I am stopping my custom artwork. And what I mean by stopping custom artwork, what I mean is I'm stopping custom commissions. I am going to start making my tomahawks and everything from my own heart, from my own mind, and different inspirations that I personally have. I have went for so long with making custom axes for people with names that I've gotten away from what's inside of me, and I can't keep up with my demand. So I have many people that's been on a waiting list that I just simply can't get to. Like for the person that's waiting for this one right here, I have been working on it for a while now, but I have been so busy with my other businesses and it is hard to complete these. So I am going to begin working on other pieces, like I said, from my own heart, and put them up for sale. And leading into that, and I'm going to tell you guys some of my just personal information here, that way it can inspire you from a business perspective, and I'm being transparent with you guys that if I'm spending 40 hours and charging 300, I'm not making any money, guys. This is a passion project. I am making pieces to sell. If people want them, they can come get them, but I'm getting into more of the fine art side of things, and that is going to help me tremendously in business because I can't keep up with what I'm doing right now. So with that being said, you will probably see more videos of me working on this. And for point number two, I get the question, Matt, are you staying handmade with rotary tools or are you switching to laser engraving? Well, let me say this. Number one, I am staying handmade for sure with rotary tools. That's what brought the initial views on my channel, and people love that. But also, people love my laser engraving stuff. So you are going to be seeing a mix of videos. And for those of you that might be confused and saying, Matt, that's cheating. No, it's not cheating. It is using technology to your advantage. And the truth is, yes, I'm incorporating more laser engraving, but I am not going to stop my custom artwork with rotary tools. This is who I am. I love doing it, but I am incorporating more laser engraved projects. Not really wooden projects on wood. I'm doing other things that you are going to see. I'm doing more wallets, tumblers, and things like that that are creative, that I love doing. And so I'm just kind of blending those two, but I'm doing it in a specific way. I'm staying to what is relevant with my channel. And if it wasn't for laser engravers, you know my channel would have died. Many of you wouldn't be watching my videos right now because wood carving, just a topic, it went down so much. It's starting to come back up. And for point number three, I am going to be doing more content. It's going to be based around wood carving, laser engraving, but with some other things that I'm into, like knives and different things like that. So you can expect more content from me, and I've hired an editor to help me. And the reason you guys haven't seen just a whole lot of videos is because I pour all my eggs into one basket when I make a video. Some of these things are 40 and 50 hours long with about $15,000 worth of camera gear. I'm editing myself. And guys, it takes a lot out of me. So hopefully this editor is going to help replace my time, because some of my videos are very formal and I've been trying to strike a balance there with formality and articulation, if that makes sense. But I'm going to be doing more content that I want to do, and I know it's going to be good for you guys as well. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips with you guys. And for point number four, business integrity. I know there are a lot of influencers out there that take a lot of payments on tools, a lot of payments and affiliate commissions. And I do have affiliate commissions. This is how I keep my channel running. But I do want to make an official promise to you guys that I will not, for lack of better words, prostitute out my influence for the sake of making money off any one of you. I don't do that. I only promote things that I like and that I have personally tested. And not to be braggadocious, my email is filled up with people wanting to pay me good money to review products on my channel. Seriously. I delete them from my email every single weekend or every other month when I decide to check all my messages and stuff, because I stay so busy. I leave a lot of money on the table because I don't want to take my channel in that direction. And again, I'm not trying to be prideful or braggadocious. I'm just letting you know the way that this channel operates. I do get a lot of of proposals out there. So I will only partner with people that I have integrity with, that I trust, and that I want to show you guys. And the first wood carving video that really went viral, I guess you could say, that was my third time carving letters. I didn't even know how to do it properly. I was excited and I showed you guys. And really, as I'm going along here, I'm showing you guys what I learned. I'm not just some amazing artist out in space somewhere high above everybody. I'm not. I'm Matt. I'm who I am, and I'm being transparent with you guys. And there have been some people on here that's blaming you just making a sale. No, yes, I have made sales, and yes, I have made money with sales, but my heart is to bring you guys knowledge, to bring you guys wisdom, which leads me into a point I forgot to put. I'm going to be doing some self-help with artistry here too, to help you guys that are aspiring and want to grow their business, to help their family, to help themselves. So I will be having that content as well. So anyway, back to, this is why I use a script sometimes, because I bounce all over the place. But yes, so as far as business integrity, I will only promote things to you guys that I use and that I make money with. And like I said, I'm learning as I go, and I'm teaching it with you guys. So for those of you that want to learn, hey, come hang out with me. I'm not ahead of you. I'm right beside you, because I'm learning as I go. So that's the heart behind my channel. I want to show you guys, teach you, and inspire you. And if I've done that, I've done my job, no matter what the cost. So, and it's cost me a tremendous amount. I mean, if I'm being honest with you, a tremendous amount. And I'm not saying that again to be prideful or to look at me. I'm just telling you guys, if you saw behind the scenes, it's a little different than what people think. So there we go, guys. I hope this video explained a lot to you, and I'm looking forward to making more videos for you guys to learn from. Like I said, as I'm learning myself. So I will talk to you later, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.